Good morning, grade 9. We have a lesson called combining like terms, how we can combine the like terms. Before we go to the combining like terms, I need to get your attention to something very important. If I have A plus 2A equal to, here you can see that this is exactly like 1 apple plus 2 apple, which means 3 apple. If I have 5A minus 2A, again, this is like 5 apple minus 2 apple equal 3 apple. But what about if I have A times 2A? Here the situation is totally different. This is not an addition. This is a multiplication. So I have to remember again, since there is a hidden multiplication here, so I can use the algebraic, the exponent law. So if I have A as a base and I have A as a base, really I can use the exponent law, so I can add the exponent here like A exponent 1, A exponent 1. So the result is going to be 2A 1 plus 1, because when we multiply, we add the exponent. So it's going to be like 2A squared. What about if I have, let's say, 3A plus 2B? Here I have to make sure that I understand that. I cannot add two different variables. This is exactly if I can say that the A for apple and the B, let's say, for banana. So can I add apple and banana together? I cannot. So the answer will stay as it is, 3A plus 2B. I cannot combine the A and the B. And this is going to be like an introduction for combining like terms. So you see here, for this one, if I want to simplify it, I have to think with this way. I have n and positive 9n. They are from the same family. They are like terms. But the negative 10 and the negative 3, since they don't have variables, which means variable exponent 0, it could be n exponent 0, so I consider them that they are like terms. So here I can combine these two, and here I can combine these two. So the n plus 9n equal 10n. And the negative 10 and the negative 3, I can combine it as negative 13. And this is going to be the simplification of this one. Again, if I look to this one, I have the negative 2x with the positive 6x. They are from the same, you can say, family. So I can combine them. They are like terms. 11, I cannot. Therefore, I can say that negative 2x positive 6x, it will bring me as 4x. And I leave the 11 as it is, plus 11. So this is a simplification of this expression. Let's go to the next one. Some examples here. Can I combine anything here? I see that 12R and the 3R, they are like from the same family, so I can combine them. They are like terms. And the positive 5 and the negative 5, they are like terms. The positive 5 and negative 5, they cancel each other. So that means 12R plus 3R equal 15R. And this is how I can simplify it. And you can see that the whole expression here, it's simplified as 15R's only. Next one, the same thing. If I can see the negative 3x and the 15x, they are like terms, and the negative 9 is by itself. And if you notice that I'm trying to get the like terms with the sign. So this is positive 15 and this is negative 3. So make sure that you combine with or taking into consideration the sign. So 15x minus 3x equal 12x, and the negative 9 stay as it is. Next, here you have to be careful. There is yes, y, but make sure that you understand that the like terms are y squared, the positive 3y squared, and the positive 4y squared. These are the like terms, but negative 6y, it doesn't have any like term. So positive 1, positive 3, that means positive 4. Positive 4 and positive 4, that means 8y squared. And after that, the negative 6y stayed as it is. And this is how we can simplify. Here, there is many terms, but I have to be careful which one I can combine. I can see here the negative 5t and the positive 5t, they can be combined together, but they cancel each other, one with negative, one with positive. So I'm going to stay with 2 plus 8, 10, 10 minus 8 equal 2, or again, the positive 8 and the negative 8, they cancel each other, so I'm going to stay with 2. And here, how I can simplify this long algebraic expression to a very small or short 2 after combining the like terms. I hope that you understand how you can combine like terms. Thank you for your attention.